Building a community is hard. Engaging it is even harder. But what if I told you that you can now use games to up your engagement level? Don't believe me? Keep watching. Games are fun. We all love games, right? Personally speaking, I'm quite the gamer myself. In fact, I'm widely recognized as the champion in rock, paper, scissors. Before you Call of Duty folks interject and tell me that this isn't worth enough to be called a gamer, let me just tell you that rock, paper, scissors requires a lot of strategy, okay? Either way, I've recently discovered that gaming can be quite successful in a community as well. As a community manager, you can introduce gaming techniques in a non-gaming setting. And this process is called gamification. Oftentimes, gamification efforts in a community appear in the form of points and badges. They generally encourage gentle competition around engagement. Badges, achievements, unlock this, up-level that. These are all terms that have risen from gamification techniques. So let's get into it and explore how rewarding your community rewards you. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter, is our brain's main pleasure center. It gets synthesized during happy moments and increases our blood pressure. This makes us feel on top of the world and motivates our body to repeat tasks that lead to the pleasant feeling, ultimately increasing our desire to grab that opportunity once again. Ever wondered why playing games is so attractive? Well, games are well known to spike up our dopamine levels. This increase is in response to completion of challenges or achievements. Our brains work a certain way. We tend to repeat activities that bring pleasure and avoid the rest. We developed this reward system during human evolution. As a community manager, you should know the needs and desires of your audience. Focus on what brings them value and enjoy a better retention rate later. This engagement would also bring you increased loyalty and lifetime value. Some of the common gamification strategies that you can use in your community include: Number 1, custom permissions. Reward the members by giving them access to special privileges. For example, you can give them the ability to kick people off the community. This would be their reward for participating actively. Don't actually do it though. Banning or kicking are powerful privileges and should ideally only lie with the founder and community managers. Number 2, popularity contest. The number of connections, followers, and friends a person has is also a gamification strategy. The higher these numbers are, the more popular you are on the social network. Number 3, social sharing. You can encourage members to share community content on social media by rewarding them. Number 4, integrate community activities with loyalty programs. Reward your customers for their contribution towards the community. You can do this by setting up a leaderboard or giving them the chance to win prizes. So try to merge community activities and customer loyalty programs. And the last one is be consistent. Consistent engagement is the key to making your gamification plan successful. Make sure the momentum is not lost by having something new to spike the spirit of your community members. The trick is creating a sense of healthy competition amongst your community members. You can do this by crafting a combination of different gamification strategies. Next up, we'll be talking about another key aspect of gamification: community coins. We'd like to think of community building as building your digital empire. If that's the case, we need to set up a virtual currency, right? Before currency, people would use barter system to exchange their goods. Currency serves as a medium of value standardization. It's the exact same principle when it comes to community currency. It's not real, but it has value. You can add a conversion rate to your community coins. This will help provide real-world utility like official merchandise and course registrations. Your imagination is the limit. Badges and reputation scores are also vital in community. Members who also achieve something significant in the community receive badges. Thus, they express the specialty of a community member and become aspirational. The other members also tend to look up to the badge holders in all aspects. They consider them as quality contributors. This motivates them to be better and more loyal. One great way to activate new users is to assign them a badge called Newbie and outline the steps to upgrade. Your badge serves as your reputation score. Community members receive reputation scores on successful completion of an activity. These activities are unique and range from asking questions to getting upvotes. You might want to assign the badge titles according to your community's personality, so feel free to customize them to suit your brand. A gamification strategy brings the valuable contributions of your members into salience. Members should also be able to redeem the rewards. If not, gamification can sometimes backfire. The larger plan here is to motivate the users to support you to achieve the final goals. But if these end goals look unrealistic, a wave of demotivation can cause frustration. So the customer goals must be set by taking their comfort into consideration. They should be able to reasonably step up to different levels. So if you want more tips on how to improve engagement in your community, then go ahead and click on the link in the description box below.